I love when you're just like
wait,
the blanket.
Wait, start. Start.
Guys, be a little quiet. My mom's gonna get mad.
Everyone. I'm
That was horrible.
Everyone has heard about
Pakistan. She was putting a camera in my face.
You would get tapped in my face.
You're gonna make me pee my pants. Don't do it.
What? It didn't keep the video. You have to do it again.
Are you videotaping?
I got the whole Pakistan thing on video. Smoking. Rachel. Rachel, smile for the camera. Not actual picture. Oh. With your crying.
Wait.
That looks so cool.
What is that?
Yes. Did he take off his shirt? No, not yet. Does he now? Yeah.
For 2 seconds. I woke up for it.
Your shirt off.
Actually, I just kept waking up anyways.
Someone do something really funny. It's gonna be a really funny video when it's done.
It's just like Eliza's head. Like one time we were filming all three of us.
Oh my god, I still have that.
In the car singing, and Rachel just filmed herself.
No, okay.
I zoomed out.
Again.
No, I zoomed in,
That's on my stomach.
and I forgot to zoom back out. So it was just my face.
It's horrible right here.
She's just joking around right now. Making fun of it.
Stop.
Okay. No one's doing funny stuff.